Here we like to find out the sum for k runs from 1 to 10. And the general term ak is 1 over 5 times negative 2 to the exponent k minus 1. We wanted to see if this sequence is a geometric sequence or not. So we want to identify the current term ak, which would be this one, 1 over 5 times negative 2 to the exponent k minus 1. The following term would be a sub k plus 1. So you just replace this k with k plus 1. That would be the following term. Then we do the division. 1 over 5, 1 over 5 cancelled. And the bases are the same, negative 2, negative 2. Since here is the division, we use exponent upstairs, subtract exponent downstairs. K plus 1 minus 1, subtract k minus 1, that will be minus k plus 1. That's right here. Negative k, positive k cancelled, 1 minus 1 cancelled. We get exponent is just 1, which is negative 2 to the first power. From here we can see r is a constant. So that's a geometric sequence. Then we can apply this formula. The formula here is there are 10 terms. So if here is 10, here is 10, r is the common ratio. Here was not n. So if here was n, then exponent would be n. Now we know the value negative 2 is common ratio, so we put right here. A1 is the first term. So you plug in 1 here. Substitute 1 for k. Okay, 1 minus 1. That's 0 exponent. Negative 2 to the 0 exponent is 1, not 0. So 1 over 5 times 1, which is 1 over 5. And based on the formula, we have the initial term times upstairs is 1 minus common ratio negative 2 to the 10th divided by 1 minus the common ratio. That's the formula. Now 1 minus negative 2 is 1 plus 2, which is 3 times 5. So you then have 15. And here negative 2 to the 10th, be careful, That's what? That's 2 to the 10th. Because negative 2 to the 10th means what? Means negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 10 times. 10 is an even number, so they are equal. Negative 2 to the 10th is positive 2 to the 10th. And then you have 1 subtract 2 to the 10th divided by 15. So here, if we have our calculator on, that will be 1 minus 10 to 2 to the 10th. And then we got negative 1023 divided by 15. So it's negative 68.2. And that's the final answer. Okay? I'll see you next time.